Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulb battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to see the battery, which is located on the upper left of the engine compartment. Using a T25 Torx screwdriver, unscrew the screw holding the half windscreen frame. Then, using a socket wrench, an extender and a 10mm socket, unscrew the plastic nut holding the frame. Using the same tools, unscrew the last screw holding the half frame. Remove the windscreen frame seal. You can now remove the half windscreen frame. To take out the battery, you will have to unscrew the holding plate. Next, unscrew the rod from the battery's fastening plate using a socket wrench, an extender and a 10mm socket. You can now remove the fastening plate. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, start by removing the negative terminal from the battery. Once the terminal has been removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Repeat the operation on the positive terminal. Remove the acid-resistant steam hose if the battery has one installed. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the bulb, parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new battery. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Connect the acid fumes outlet tube. Start by putting the positive terminal back in place. Fix it in place with a socket wrench and a 10mm socket. Finally, do the same with the negative terminal. Put the battery fastening plate in place, then finish off the tightening with a socket wrench. Put the half windscreen frame back in place. Put the waterproof joint back. Screw the retaining screw back in. Screw the plastic nut back on. Screw the last retaining screw back on. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.